walking 10,000 steps per day for weight loss or fat loss is a myth? Maybe yes.
They look at me crazy cause I got that bread, he got shot in the leg, he ain't walking.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. So 10,000 steps का जो आजकल ट्रेंड चल रहा है, जो कि everybody, most of the people are trying to follow that कि 10,000 steps का गोल हमें कंप्लीट करना है. We need to reach our step goal for the day, which is most probably 10,000 for many of the people out there who are trying to get fit. So is it a myth for fitness? Is it a lie which is spread across the internet through the help of many brands which are trying to promote their products? Maybe yes, considering the certain facts कि अगर आपके पास irregular movement patterns है, आप regularly move नहीं करते हो, you once in a while see some motivational video, see something on the internet and feel like कि आज मैं 10,000 steps चलूँगा, or maybe I'll hit some 12,000, 15,000, whatever it is, occasionally. It is not going to help you. It would be a downgrade for you in the sense कि आप एक दिन उठे, सब कर लिए, दूसरे दिन आप फिर से सो रहे हो, 11 बजे उठ रहे हो. So doesn't make sense. Number 2 would be a imbalanced diet. और सबसे बड़ी चीज़, अगर आप स्पोर्ट्स और वेट ट्रेनिंग के तरफ आप थोड़ा इंक्लाइन नहीं हो, it might be a myth for you again, because fitness में just walking 10,000 steps doesn't help you alone. You have to power it up by a few different things, which would be weight training, which would be playing some sort of sports once or twice a week. That would be really helpful for your journey. If you if you don't have these above points that I mentioned in the video, it might be a myth for you. But it is not a myth for a person like me, because पिछले 1.5 महीने से मैंने वापस से वर्कआउट शुरू किया है. It has been 1.5 months for me, and I've lost 4 kgs in 1.5 months, which is not a big number, which is not a big number for you, which is not a big number for anyone. But मेरे लिए big number है, क्योंकि initial 2-3 weeks there was no diet for me. I still managed to walk, I still managed to walk out a bit. क्रिकेट खेल लेता हूँ, बीच-बीच में बैडमिंटन खेल लेता हूँ, so it helps me a lot. So I understand there are some challenges when it comes to walking 10,000 steps a day. I'm gonna address them. टाइम नहीं होता है, एनर्जी नहीं होता है ना? How to manage that? I'm gonna give you solutions which I personally use, so that it would not seem some chat GPT content given out on your face like Instagram captions में जो देते हैं लोग. टाइम का अगर आपका इशू है, you have to divide your time very carefully so that आप एग्जॉस्ट भी ना हो जाओ by the midday and your goal is also completed. Number 1, मॉर्निंग में अगर आप वर्कआउट कर रहे हो, जैसे कि मैं करता हूँ, मॉर्निंग में ट्राई टू वॉक फॉर 20-25 मिनट्स एट अ मीडियम पेस, विच विल बी 5 to 5.5 kilometers per hour. There itself you'll complete, you know, 3,000 steps. Then after some time, if you have some time after workout, try walking from your gym till your home if it is nearby. तो वहीं पे ही आपका 5,000 स्टेप तो कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, क्योंकि मेरे लिए हो जाता है. मेरा जिम हार्डली यहाँ से 1 किलोमीटर दूर है, हो जाता है 5,000. Then if there is a day when I go to the office, which I go twice in a week, lunch के बाद I go for a 10-minute walk, which can be as short as possible or as long as possible. वहाँ पे I complete around 6.5 to 7. Then I work for straight 2-3 hours. Evening में I take a break. चाय break जो होता है, I don't smoke, so चाय सुट्टा नहीं बोल लो. चाय break जो होता है, I have a lime tea or maybe a green tea, or just have water and chill. Then that time मैं थोड़ा walk कर लेता हूँ around 10-15 minutes, so it makes it up around 8.5k steps there itself. फिर आता हूँ वापस फ्लोर पे, काम शुरू होता है and it goes up to डिनर टाइम मेरा ऑलमोस्ट 8:30 या 9 होता है, जो कि मैं ऑफिस में ही करता हूँ इफ आई एम इन द ऑफिस. अगेन आफ्टर माई डिनर आई वॉक फॉर 10-15 मिनट्स. अगर ये सब सर्कमस्टांसेस मिला के भी मेरे पब्लिक नहीं हो पा रहा, देयर इज अ पॉइंट वेयर आई पुल इट अप टू 9.5 to 10k कॉल पे बात करते हुए, जबकि मैं रोज़ करता हूँ मेरे पेरेंट्स के साथ, मेरे गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ. Just consider walking when you're talking to any of your friends for 10-15 minutes. वो walk हो जाता है, तो आपको पता नहीं लगता, mentally आप इतना pressurized नहीं होते हो. So yeah, these are some fixes. If you cannot manage your time and energy for a bulk session, जो कि अगर आप bulk में करना चाहते हो, 1.5 घंटे में आपका पूरा दिन का step count आप complete कर सकते हो. Then 1.5 घंटे के बाद you can do a workout and all, but that is not practical for me or most of the people watching this video. So yeah, this is how I divide my time. Cardio भी करता हूँ साथ में. I walk for 20-25 minutes. Cardio, weight training 5 days a week. Sometimes 6 days a week, depends on my energy and mood. Rest भी ज़रूरी होता है. That's all about this video. आई गेस जो आपका क्वेश्चन था, आई गेस इट इज क्लियर. आई होप to see you again on the channel. See you soon. Bye bye.
Easier with all these grills. I don't give a fuck if you talk about me. I got diamonds in both of my motherfucking ears. There ain't no